Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with a project walkthrough today. This particular card was one that Libby and I crafted together. I'm working on swaps for the quarterly meeting I'm going to in North Carolina, and one of the swaps is a long skinny card. The dimensions provided were 3.5 by 8.5, so that's taking cardstock that's 7 by 8.5 and cutting the 7, scoring it in the middle and folding it. And of course, when you do swaps, you want to be economical with your paper. You don't want to have them take too much time because you have to make a dozen of them. But you want to be impressive, unique. You want everyone to be happy with your project. So we found a sort of an inspiration. It was a normal A2 size card, and it used the Floral Squares dies, 2 up, 2 down. So I was doing a long skinny card, and I already envisioned it being vertical instead of horizontal, and I didn't know initially if it was going to be 3 or 4 long. But I did know that I wanted a sentiment that was going to use this font, which is a very unique font, Ornate Thanks. I bought 4 of these sentiments, and I have not given it sufficient use. I don't feel it is a carryover product, which I was very happy to see. So I noticed that in order, I don't like doing things exactly the same, so there are, if I'm going to use 4 of the squares, there's "For all your help, you made my day, just wanted to say, from all of us." So here's a card, and so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, and "For all you do," 6 different sentiments that are able to be chopped up into 4 distinct pieces. So that's my strategy, and then this was just my mock-up. I think that I could do it. It's a little bit time consuming, but not bad, and the card comes out very, very sweet. So here is the end result of my card. Look, it barely fits on my screen. I'm gonna have to leave it right there. So I went ahead and used, in this case, the in colors. So for doing this project, I probably will use the in colors, and I used the new square faceted stones. So everything on here is square. I did the offset, as you can see, and I cut the sentiment, the one that I picked, into 4 pieces, popped it up. Everything else is not popped up, and then added the twine over the balmy blue, added a little bow, and I think this came out really good. And I have to say, I think I can make a dozen of them. I think I can change up the sentiments, and then the arrangement of the 4 different die cuts can vary, and I might even vary the colors. It will definitely be that the Evening Evergreen is the square piece, and I will vary the other 4 colors on the flowers, but I might have the polished pink might be up here, so I'll vary those. And I even counted, and I have plenty of the little square gems, so I believe that I have picked what's going to be my share for the long skinny card. So let me know what you think of this, and if you've done any other fun things with these 4. I bought the die cuts and not the stamp set, because I just loved the look of the 4, and the stamp set just didn't seem to be clicking with me as something that I would use and get a lot of use out of. So leave your questions, comments, and suggestions on this video or over on my blog. Like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.